The DJI Air series has consistently set the standard in the consumer drone market, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. After the successful launch of the Air 3 just a year prior, anticipation is building for its successor, the DJI Air 4. While details remain largely speculative, emerging leaks and rumors are generating excitement among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's delve into what we can expect from this promising new model. One of the hallmark features of the Air series is its compact and foldable design, a quality that has made it a favorite among travelers and adventurers. Leaked images suggest that the Air 4 will maintain this lightweight and portable form factor, allowing for easy transport without compromising functionality. While the Air 3 weighs in at approximately 720 grams, there are hints that the Air 4 may be even lighter, enhancing its suitability for various flying scenarios. The foldable arm mechanism is expected to remain, ensuring that storage and portability continue to be top-notch. Perhaps the most talked-about aspect of the DJI Air 4 is its rumored camera enhancements. There's speculation that this new drone could feature two larger 1-inch sensors, a significant upgrade that would dramatically improve image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. Larger sensors are well known for their ability to capture more detail and color, making this potential enhancement particularly appealing to photographers and videographers. Moreover, the introduction of a mechanical shutter could revolutionize how aerial images are captured. Unlike the electronic shutters found in many drones, mechanical shutters help minimize distortion, especially in fast-moving situations, leading to clearer and more precise images. This capability could be especially beneficial for those focused on aerial mapping or capturing dynamic scenes. Another exciting possibility is the addition of a variable aperture feature, granting users greater control over exposure and depth of field. This would be particularly useful for filmmakers looking to achieve cinematic quality shots with enhanced creative flexibility. In addition to camera upgrades, the DJI Air 4 is likely to come with enhanced flight features and safety mechanisms. One prominent rumor suggests an improved 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. This upgrade would greatly assist both novice and experienced pilots in navigating challenging environments, making the drone safer and easier to control. Advanced sensors paired with artificial intelligence could improve object detection and path planning, significantly reducing collision risks. Battery life is a constant concern for drone operators, and the Air 4 is rumored to offer significant improvements in this area as well. The current Air 3 boasts an impressive flight time of 46 minutes, but there are whispers that the Air 4 could extend this duration with larger capacity batteries. Longer flight times are essential for photographers and videographers who need extended periods in the air to capture their desired shots without interruptions. As for the release date, many in the drone community speculate that the DJI Air 4 could hit the market in the latter half of 2025. This timeline aligns with DJI's historical pattern of launching new models every 12 to 18 months. While no official pricing details have been confirmed, it's expected that the Air 4 will be competitively priced, likely similar to the Air 3, which currently retails around $1,099. Various bundles could be offered to cater to different user needs, from basic packages to comprehensive kits featuring additional accessories. The anticipation surrounding the DJI Air 4 is palpable, and if the rumors hold true, this new model could bring a wave of advancements that significantly enhance the consumer drone experience. From its upgraded camera capabilities to improved obstacle avoidance systems and extended battery life, the Air 4 is poised to meet the evolving needs of both hobbyists and professionals. What do you think? Share with us in the comment section below.